Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on the Mercedes CLK. As you know, many videos will coming on this vehicle, more than 100. And we're going to demonstrate how to remove and replace seats on those. We'll demonstrate on the front right seat, but it will be almost the same for the front left as well. That's the tool that we're going to use. This is called a reverse Torx. Okay, right here, E12. We'll have the link on Amazon, on our channel, guys, on our website, so you can check it out if you need one of those tools. Now, you will need to get the bolt, okay, loose right there on the front. Those are usually very tight. Okay, and this one, we got it loose. Now we're going to use the little impact to save us some time. Okay, perfect. That's the bolt. And now we have another one that we need to do on this side here. Okay, this one came off too. It's a little bit dirty vehicle, you know, we got it. You can check the video out for 375 bucks. But for a parts car is great, so we're gonna take it apart now. You will need to move the seat all the way to the front now. Also, you will need to get this one towards the front. Okay, because there is two more bolts on the back. You can see all the coffee spilled here. And one more there now. Okay, let's get the little impact again. Stay with us to see what else you need to do, guys. Okay, you will need to, what you need to do now, you need to go to the trunk and disconnect the battery at least for 30 minutes to 1 hour before you proceed with the next step. Otherwise you have airbag light on for the seat being removed. But in our case, we can clear it. We have the device to clear the code, so it's fine. So we're just going to unhook the cables now. Okay, we'll get it like that, and now we need to disconnect everything. Let me get a good angle now. Okay guys, so we'll start disconnecting wires now. You can see those were pretty easy. Okay, one more there. So we got those out of the way now. Now those wires right here, you need to push this one in, okay, and that will come out. Then when you're ready to install it, you need to install it and go the other way. Okay, and I think that should be all now. And after that, we're ready to actually grab the seat and pull it out of there. Okay, it's very heavy, so be careful with it. And this is the seat, guys. You can see, not very complicated. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.